How to fix iPhone speaker sound too low. Let's jump right into the steps. First off, make your way to settings. Then you want to scroll down to sounds and haptics. Tap on headphone safety. As you do that, you will reach to this page where you want to disable reduce loud sounds. Sometimes what happens is reduce loud sound is turned on and the speaker may sound too low. You just have to make sure that this is turned off. Now next thing what you can do is you want to go to again sound and haptics, and you can control the ringer and alert volume from up here. When you slide it to the minimum, the sound is minimum, and when you slide it to the maximum, the sound is maximum. You have to make sure the sound is maximum. Next thing what you can do is you want to go back to home screen of the settings, go to general, then you want to tap on software updates, and you need to make sure that your phone is updated to the fullest version. Sometimes what may happen is the updates may affect the speaker of your phone. Next thing what you can do is go to the settings again and go to music, right? And then what you want to do is you want to scroll down a little bit and tap on sound check. You have to enable it so that if there is any error on the phone sound, then it will notify you. And how you can fix iPhone speaker sound too low. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.